here with Half Dozen Customs. Quick little unboxing video for you guys. I guess Colleen was tired of me stealing her heat gun all the time, so she picked me up a heat gun. This is from Harbor Freight. It's a Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature. Nice little heat gun. It's got low and high. Got an instruction manual with it. But yeah, this will definitely come in handy. I use hers all the time, so thank you, Colleen, for getting me my very own heat gun. Ooh, we're moving up in the world. See you guys in the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Link will be down below. See you guys in the next one. I'm out.
Oop.